welcome to another episode of our cooks. But before that, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. So for today, we'll be cooking bulalo and get our buko from the fridge and prep it up. And I also bought mixed vegetables from the supermarket already. So na mais, squash, luya, pechay, cabbage, whatever. And then we turn on our kalan, and then we'll put in our meat sa kalan. So wala siya water, just let it thaw sa iyang kaugalingon nga tuga and oil. So after putting in our meat, we will let it thaw again kaya para magawasan niya hang tuga, and then we season it with salt kaya para naapoy timpla ang atuang karne. Now we put in our water, hot water akong igamit diri, and then we put in our katong veggies na kailangan pakuluan. So naatay luya, naatay mais, naatay bato, and then I also added some onion. And then we let it boil until nga mahumok ang atoang sweet corn and ang atoang karne. Now I added the squash, the sayote rather, and then some green leafy veggies, and then I also made timpla na sabaw. No, so let it boil again. Again, let it boil until mahumok na everything. And by the way, I added more veggies, the pechay, because I had to neutralize the saltiness of the timpla. So here's the final product of our bulalo, aka linatang baboy. And yum, let's have lunch.